Merch by Amazon trending niche alert. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a niche that I found that is starting to trend on Merch by Amazon. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print-on-demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on Merch by Amazon and other print-on-demand platforms. If you like this kind of content and you get any value out of this video, make sure to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. Okay, now let's get into the content of the video. So the niche that I have for you today is this one right here that says, America, a country so great, even its haters won't leave. I just woke up this morning and I checked to see if there's any trending niches, and I saw this one was new and getting some sales. The reason this is probably trending is because we have 4th of July coming up. So right now, the popular niche is Father's Day, but it's coming close to an end because I think Father's Day is about a week away. And then the next big niche is going to be 4th of July, which is an absolute huge niche. So hopefully we can get some good new niches like this. I already have seen one. I made a video about it the other day. Something about it, I'm just here for the wieners, about hot dogs. And then this one right here that says, America is a country so great, even its haters won't leave. If we look at the competition, we're going to see there's only 279 results. And when I click on the third page, we're going to see that there's still only 279 results. Now, this is what some of the designs look like right here. So we're going to see this is just very easy to design for. It's basically just the text, and then you put some type of graphic in between. Now, pretty much everybody's doing a flag, but if we see here, we're going to see this was just uploaded yesterday. So today's the 11th, yesterday, June 10th, 2023. It already has a 230 BSR at 1995. That's really good, in my opinion. And then right here we're going to see this is another one that was uploaded 2 days ago. Same thing. Now the way I designed for this is I just went to create a Fabrica and I just typed in some, let's see, where is it? It's right here. I just typed in USA flag and I just found some of these designs. So I found this one right here and I made a design for it. Let me just show you real quick. So here is the design I made. So I went to this is my merch account, and you can see I made one for black and for white. So you can see, not bad design. That's the black one, that's the white one. The reason I'm showing you this is so to think outside the box. You don't just have to do like a flag, like everybody else is doing. You can come to create a Fabrica, you can use a butterfly, you can use, let's see, a star, you can use an eagle. Like this would be a really good one, I would use that. You just come to create a Fabrica, type in USA flag or any other type of kind of relevant keyword. And you just want to click right here where it says special license print on demand. All these you can use. And let's see, maybe you could do like a smiley face. But again, try and think like outside of the box. Just don't do a flag like everybody else is doing. Kind of try and be original. But we can see that this niche is selling. It's trending. These designs were just uploaded. It's low in competition. Only 248 results. Let's see if we can find any other ones that were recently uploaded. Okay, so this one June 8th, so 3 days ago. This is not the best design in my opinion. This is kind of cool right here. We're using half of the sunflower. We've seen that has sold very well over the year, that half sunflower. So maybe you can do something kind of like that. Let's see, are there any other ones? Okay, so here's some other examples. Same thing, people are just using the flag, so I haven't really... Oh, another one that I also did was the messy bun. That's another one that you can do, the messy bun. That's the mom that has the messy bun. Just have like with the American, basically a flag or bandana or sunglasses on her. But here we see more of the flag ones. Now if we go to test to see if this is trademarked, let me just pull it up real quick. So 1 second here, but I believe this is not trademarked. Now I already went ahead and uploaded a design like you saw with this keyword, so it already has gone through, but it's always just a good idea just to double check. Okay, so I'm not seeing anything pop up there on test. If we go to Etsy and we take a look at the competition, only 462 results. I see one right here, and that could be maybe the only one. Redbubble, I saw 3 designs. Again, me personally, I'm not going to be uploading these political niches to Redbubble. The reason why, it looks like these ones are, upload, but maybe they'll get a takedown later in the future. But it has the word haters, and just Redbubble is so sensitive. I remember I got a takedown maybe like a few months ago or something because I had the word redneck, but just saying they seem very sensitive to certain keywords. So I'm probably just going to be uploading this design to Merch by Amazon. But we can see here low in competition for Redbubble and TeePublic. There's only one design here. TeePublic seems to be a little more lenient, but it's kind of weird because I believe Redbubble actually bought or owns TeePublic, so not too sure why Redbubble is so strict when the other ones are not. But that's just the way that it goes. Now, if we look to see why this might be turned, remember it's always a good idea just to like do a Google search of the niche, just to make sure that we're not like uploading some type of like Taylor Swift song or something to do with some type of Netflix series. And when I do a search for this America Country So Great, even its haters won't leave, we can see we're just, the only things that come up are like Etsy, basically like t-shirt shops. So that's a good sign there. You want to avoid anything that has to do with like song lyrics, Netflix, movies, sports teams, things like that. And again, if you're looking for graphics, you can just go to create a Fabrica right here. Now I do have an affiliate link in my description. It's only $4.99 a month or $59 for the year. Like I always say, Create a Fabrica has a ton of value. You get fonts, graphic, AI. They even have courses, and they have a whole POD section. And it's really easy because you can just go and download one of these designs. And let me just show you my Photoshop. All you have to do is just type in some text, put the graphic in between, add in some more text, get some type of distress font. A quick little design tip is to, I try to use all of the real estate space of the image, just so it looks nice and big when it gets uploaded onto the shirt. That's really important that people can see what the design is. It's going to make it pop more so. And also another thing that I also like to do is keep everything like rectangled. So like everything is kind of basically in one rectangular box, and it all kind of matches up on the sides. I don't have it like, I don't have it something like this where, America is like a lot smaller. Let me move this down a little bit so I can actually see. You don't want it like this basically. You want everything kind of matching up and having it in a nice kind of rectangular shape like this right here. But yeah, so if you're interested, go to Create a Fabrica. They got a lot of good fonts and graphics. I have an affiliate link in the description. If you do sign up using my affiliate link, I do get a commission. But like I said, Create a Fabrica has a ton of value. So that's basically going to be the niche for today. I only have one for you. I just woke up this morning and I saw this trending, and I thought this would be good. You got to be quick with these niches sometimes, especially because there's so much competition on merch, and this niche could get flooded very quick. So you want to get your designs up. If you actually, let me show you my courses real quick. If you're struggling to get sales on Merch by Amazon or by Redbubble, I have a couple courses you might want to take a look at or be interested in. I'm selling them on Udemy. Here's my Merch by Amazon for Beginners course, a step-by-step beginner's guide for mastering Merch by Amazon. Now these courses are mainly for people that are beginners on merch, or people that are struggling to get sales on Merch by Amazon or Redbubble. But you can take a look at them. You can watch the little intro video. The price is only $19.99. You can take a look at the course content. You can read some of the reviews. This is the one that I have for Redbubble. It's kind of the same thing. Redbubble Masterclass, step-by-step guide for mastering Redbubble. Watch the intro. Price $19.99. Take a look at the course content. This one I actually have a better rating for, 4.7 reviews, 21 ratings. Udemy, if you don't like the course, you can just return and get your money back, so no risk there. But people seem to be liking it. You can see I have over 7,000 students for the Redbubble one, and let's see, for the merch one, I also have, oh no, that could be a total just for all of my students, because I also have some other courses as well. So let's see, I also have one for like Upwork, YouTube, how to start a faceless YouTube channel, Fiverr. This one seems to be pretty popular. You can see here 86 reviews, 87 reviews. So you can just go to my profile pic if you're interested in getting some other courses. So that's basically going to be the video for today. Let me just get this out the way so I can click on that. If you like this kind of content, subscribe to my channel, click the bell. I put out videos pretty much on a regular basis, just showing you like trending niches that are low in competition, niches that are kind of outside of the box, and niches that are going to hopefully get us some sales on Merch by Amazon and make us some money. So if you like this kind of content, subscribe. Check out some of my other videos. I just put out a video yesterday. This is a pretty good one. The last actually 3 I think are actually pretty good, actually 4. So if you're looking for more design ideas, take a look. That's going to be it for today. Hope you guys are having a good Sunday, and I will try to get some more videos out to you this week. All right, so if you guys have a good one, I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.